I brought these for you. They're beautiful. Let's go.
Woohoo! We're flying!
Effective content creation starts with one thing, a solid AI tool. That tool is Whisk AI inside Google Flow. It gives you stunning visuals by blending subjects, scenes, and any style, cinematic, anime, illustration, realism. Then animate with VO 3.1 Lite for pro-grade video. For powerful results, you need Whisk AI. Let's go. How did we get that powerful visual? The first thing is to be able to access Whisk AI, and we can do that by going through Google Flow AI. Yes, you must have all your Gmail account, and we are here. This is Google Flow AI Creative Studio for video, images, and other generations. You click on this, then it brings you to this interface. You click on New Project. Okay, you can see the sidebar now. Look at the left hand side, you can see this. You can see all media, you can see character, you can see scenes, you can also see tools. To be able to access Whisk AI, we go through the tools, we click on this. Okay, it brings us to this interface. Then we scroll down in search for Whisk AI. In search for Whisk AI. Okay, we have it here. You can see it here by the left hand side down here. You can see, you click on it, Whisk. It brings you here. This is nice. You can see now. You can see the interface for Whisk AI. You can see the subject. You can see the scene panel. You can see the style. We are going to be learning how to use these three features, from subject to scene to style. Okay, concerning the subject, you can decide to upload an image if you want to create a subject. It is a subject you are going to use to create whatsoever image you want to create. Okay, let's say we are not uploading any image here. If you want to upload, you click down here within the subject. Then it takes you upload. Then you upload whatsoever image you want to upload. Okay, but I would like to create an image. Okay, let's see. Okay, a white beer. That's beer should be BEAR. Okay, so that's it. Not beer that you drink, not the drink called beer. But this time around, we are talking of an animal. Let's see what it gives to us now. Okay, we have one here. You can see it now. You can go to all media and search for it. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, this is what we just created. You can see now. This is highly cinematic, highly realistic. Okay, we go back. Then we go to Whisk AI. Now that we have a subject here, and we can decide to add another subject here. This is it. If you want to add another subject, you click on this plus sign. Okay, you can say a beautiful white lady with a red scarlet. Okay, let's generate it. Let's see what it gives to us. Okay, this is the lady we just created just now. Let's go to the media and view it very well. Now we have a beautiful white lady now with a red scarlet, and we have a white bear. Okay, let's see how we can create something out of these two. Okay, we can see that this image is marked and this other one is also marked. I can decide to unmark them. I can mark them also. So I can create something out of these two images because they are marked already. If you are creating a prompt or generating a prompt and you unmarked, it will only respond to what you have in the marked subject. So I'm going to mark the two. Okay, I can say here, the lady riding on the bear. The lady riding on the bear with excitement. Okay, with excitement. Okay, let's say cinematic style. Okay, let's create something now. Then it automatically generates two different two images, and we can choose the best out of it. Okay, let's see what we have now. Okay, you can see now. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. Let's go to the, let's see now. So this is how you can mesh this. Okay, I think I will choose this. Let me click on this. Okay, this one is nice. And now you can now also, you can decide to, you create a scene. You know, we've done that of the subject, and we've learned how to combine different subjects to create a particular image. So let's come to scene now. You know, scene, you can decide to upload an image for your scene, and you can decide to create one. You can decide to create okay, let's say a forest. Okay, a forest. Okay, you can say, let's say a forest, and we'll go ahead and generate. Okay, we have a forest now. This is it. We have a forest now. You can see a forest. Okay, this is nice. Then we go back. Okay, there is a forest. Okay, we have a forest now. Okay, then let's go back to Whisk. Okay, now that we have a scene, you can decide to use a subject. Yeah, you can decide to upload a subject. Okay, you can decide to upload it. Go to subject and upload. Click on this icon. Then you can see some of the pictures that we've created before. You can decide to upload them. Then let's say the lady riding beer with excitement. You can click on that one. Okay, and add to the subject. This is it now, and these two are already marked. I've marked the subject, and I've also marked the scene. Okay, we can say, then since I've marked both of them, I'm gonna say a lady riding on the bear. A lady riding on the bear. Let's see. Okay, let's see, riding on the bear. Let's see. Let's click on it now, and let's see what it gives to us. Oh, you can see now the exact way. You can see it as it changed the environment. You know, the scene is the environment. You know, it changes from the snow environment to this environment. Let us look at it very well. Let's check all media. You can see this environment now. Okay, this is the snow environment, and it changed it to this environment. You can see the forest environment now. So that is how to manipulate visuals when you are using Whisk AI. Let's go back to Whisk AI. And we have other things to explore. Okay, let's now come to the style. Yeah, let's explore the style. Okay, in the scene you can add more than more than one scene. If you want other things to feature in the forest, no problem. You can add more than one scene. You just click on the plus sign and then mark whatsoever you need to mark. Then you go ahead and generate using your prompt, and it will automatically align with themselves. So let us go to style here. You can see down here we have the third one. We've learned how to use subject, how to use the scene, and now we need to learn how to use the style. Okay, style, you can decide to type any style that you want. You can decide to type a style that you want, and you can choose to upload a style. I have a style I want to upload, and look at this. For example, I don't know the name of the style, but I think I like it. It's a visual art style. I want to use it to create something creative. Okay, let me go back. Then I have to click here. You know, in the style, you also have the pencil icon and the upload icon. Just click on upload and search for it in your computer. Okay, I have it. Okay, I've added the style, the visual art style. I've added it, and let's see what it gives to us. Okay, let me click on the add. Okay, I have it already. You have to deselect the subject and also the scene because you don't need them. You want to create something new. Okay, let me say, let's say, okay, a brave boy with a huge dragon. Okay, a brave boy with a huge dragon. Okay, let's see. Using the same style. I'm using this style. I want it to come out in this visual art style. So let me go ahead and see what it gives to us. Okay, you can see now. We have it here already. Let's go to media and access it. Oh, we have a very big one. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay, you can see the art style. It's completely the same, no difference. The styles are the same. The styles are the same. You can see now. Let's click on this, and you can see this one too. You can see this style and the one I also uploaded, just the same style. So if you have a style, you can choose to clone a style. Yeah, you can choose to clone a style using Whisk AI. Using Whisk AI, you can also decide. You can add more style. You can style if you want to add. Just click on plus sign and say plus sign, and instead of you uploading a style, you can just create a prompt. You can create a prompt there. You can say, you can deselect that one. Click here. You can say a dragon warrior. A dragon warrior. A dragon warrior. You can say cinematic style. Yeah, okay, let me enlarge this a little bit. You can say a dragon warrior cinematic style. Then you go ahead and create something of that nature, and let's see what it gives to us. Then we have to reduce this. Okay, you can see by the left hand side is already generating the image for the style. Okay, you can see now we have the image for the style. Let's go to all media and see it very well. Okay, you can see a dragon warrior. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. A dragon warrior. That's nice. So we can decide to generate something, animate it. You can decide to animate it. Okay, and since we have a style already, you go back to Whisk AI, and we are selecting this because we have a style already. Okay, we are not using this. We are using this. We are using this cinematic style. You can go ahead and create other images that you want to create using that same style that you select here, and make sure you deselect all the other panels. For example, let's say, okay, a movie scene. Let's say a movie scene. Let's say, let's click on it. You will see that it will automatically reflect the style I just created, which is the cinematic style. Okay, here's the same thing because I just said a movie scene. It will definitely create it, but if I include other characters whatsoever, it will definitely give me those characters in this same style. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. Okay, we now have it now. You can see how stony, how realistic, how creative the images are. So the foundation of a very good video, AI video, all depends on the image. Now that we have a very good image now, you can see. Okay, let's see how we can animate them. Let's see how we can animate these images. Okay, let's come to this a lady riding a beer. Let's see, let's click or let's say animate. Just click on the three dot here. Let me increase it so that we can see it very well. Okay, we have it now. Okay, you can decide to click on these three dots. Okay, you can see it here, and click on animate. You can just go to animate, click on animate. You look at the video, you choose ingredient. That's one video. Are you using Omni Flash? I'm using VEO 3.1 Lite. Okay, I have it already. Okay, I can just say okay. Can just say animate. I can just say animate. That's for the purpose of this tutorial. You can decide to include whatever prompt you want to include there. So go ahead to animate the video. Okay, let me animate all and then we will view it. Okay, let's click on animate, ingredient 16:9. Okay, you just come to the prompt bar here, you click on the video section. Yeah, then one video per prompt. Okay, 3.1 Lite, that's what I'm choosing. Okay, you just say I'm animating the brave boy with the dragon. Okay, the brave boy climb the dragon and ride on it. Okay, that is it. That is the animation prompt I just want. So using that same style, automatically you click on this and let's see what it will animate. And so wait for that one. The next one we are going to be doing now is the cinematic video. Yeah, of the cinematic video. Okay, we have it now. So do you think we need to animate other ones? Okay, let us leave it. Let's leave the cinematic scene. Let's look at the one we've done. Let's click on this.
Woohoo! We're flying! Oh my god! Look at that!
You can see how clear it is, how cinematic it is.
We're flying!
Okay, this is nice. Let's check the other one. Let's check this one.
I brought these for you. They're beautiful. Let's go. I brought these for you. They're beautiful. Let's go.
Wow, this is nice. This is just nice. Okay, this is good. I'm tempted to animate this one. Okay, let me animate it. Let's see what we have here. Okay, that is that. Why we work on animating the rest, that is that. So that is it. That is how to leverage a powerful tool like Whisk AI. It has a very wonderful tools for image generation, and the foundation of every good AI video start from the image, and you can leverage on the Whisk AI as image generation tools to perfect your storytelling, to create social media content, graphics, and digital stories. So that is it. Thank you very much for staying on this tutorial. And I want you to please like, comment, and also share. Be the best.